I'm going to analyze all these stocks right here from TCS till Reliance, all these stocks right here. And okay, I'm going to start right now. If you have 10 minutes, if you have 15 minutes of your time to give it to me, do watch this analysis right now, okay, because it will definitely give you a lot of idea. So I'm going to make a beautiful trend line from this area to this particular line. Okay, so I am seeing that, yeah, the structure is good, but it is not joining all the points. So I'm going to remove it, use this tool rather. Okay, it will be available in one of these tool sections. So I'm going to make a trend line like that. Okay, and going to do it, see, let's make a trend line like that, and let's combine everything in it. Yeah, so I am seeing that, yeah, the potential of TCS seems pretty good. Why? Because the thing that used to be resistance once broken and gave a good impulsive move for the forward direction. Okay, right here you will see a very good impulsive move, 15% movement, and then from the top, from the all-time highs, it gave a 15% correction as well. Yeah, so this might be a good confluence circle to take the trade on the weekly chart as well. Tomorrow is Friday closing, so keep an eye on the TCS trade. Now, how to take this trade? Going to the daily time frame, you will see that the stock has been making quite good impulsive moves right here. This is a trap. Okay, there's a Marubozu red candle, then there is a sell off, closes below this candle, then caps up and makes a kind of a morning star pattern. Yeah, morning star type pattern. Now, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, and if you think that you still need some confirmation, definitely everything is good. Okay, you and that's a very positive sign also. Okay, they will always go with a good confirmation, or always go with multiple confirmation. Let me make it with red. Okay, it's a resistance on the 1 hour time frame, and what you can see, it's a inverted head and shoulder type pattern. It's a inverted head and shoulder type pattern right here, like that, and like that. Okay, even if you are going to make a trend line from this particular area, okay, you will see that it's right at the area, it's right at the confluence circle on the smaller time frame. So whenever your stock is, whenever TCS is giving a impulsive move for this direction, coming back could be a very good trade. Okay, or on this breakout also a very good trade. So these are the two opportunities that I wanted to tell, that TCS is set up, and you have to enrich all the potential that it can give in the future. Okay, a very good potential, okay, for the IT sector, this giant. Okay, the levels, if you see, this might be the very good level to book your first of the profits. Okay, if you're taking the trade, 7% from the current positions. Moving ahead with Mindtree. So what I see in Mindtree is, you will see that this pattern it is following on the daily time frame. So this was my anticipation. See, you see a sell off candle, then a consolidatory candle. Okay, and then you see a lower wick rejection right at this area, and then again you will be seeing that there is a very good closing. Okay, now you go to the 15-minute time frame, it has closed right up, okay, up till this area. Okay, so what I'm seeing right here is a inverted head and shoulder pattern yet again. Okay, I took the trade right at this candle and told my Telegram people, if you do not follow me on Telegram, the link will be in the description of this video, follow me there. I gave the trade around perfect timing, 2:45, around from 2:45 till 3:30. The action was tight on my Telegram channel, hashtag hammer. Okay, the link will be in the description, you will get it. Okay, so if you want to be a part of the real time trading system, go for it. Yeah, I gave it to all of my members out there, and even if you would have analyzed it properly, you would have gained 1.5% in just 30 minutes. So it's a very beautiful type of trade, inverted head and shoulder, and the daily anticipation of mine that it should close above all this consolidation, it did. So it might give a very small momentum, as the monthly chart suggests that the stock has already given a huge momentum. So it's a risky trade, yeah, but very small stop loss, so small scalpable trade. Yeah, so moving ahead, Infosys. So Infosys again has closed above this consolidation right there. Okay, r- like that. Yeah, so it's a pretty good trade. Forget everything and just see these candles right here. Aren't you seeing that this was a resistance, and then it is not closing below this area? This closing every time this particular stock needs to go up. It's telling that the market is not supporting its movement, but the stock wants to grow, once the stock wants to go up, and this is the level you would be looking at. Okay, if you're entering right now, that is also good. I added more quantity instead today. Okay, make your own analysis, be in charge of your own trades. Okay, like there. So this is our whole support now, very strong support. Whenever it is giving a closing below this, your stop loss, this is your dynamic stop loss, or whenever it is coming to this area, this is your static stop loss. Okay, that means if it is touching touch based stop loss or closing basis stop loss. Yeah, two types of stop losses. Now my exit would definitely see this type of momentum. This is a good area, and of course this area. So let's see if we can focus on the all-time highs as well from this area, 3% or even 6%. Let's see how much we can hold it, and TCS trade, how we can like I can enter tomorrow. I will tell you guys on the Telegram. The link will be in the description. Follow me right now before you skip all the best part out there. Yeah, so LTI is our next trade. Okay, next swing, beautiful trade out there. There is a good hurdle right here. Yeah, I know, but the type of consolidation for the higher side it was giving, and then there was this resistance. So what I thought was it will fall down, and there might be a put option that I might buy, okay, or something like that. But yeah, it went down and I was ready with everything, but suddenly there was a whole buying and I went to my main account, bought some CE rather, exited on the same time. But on the CNC order also, I took the trade. Yeah, so I took some LTI also. This was a good consolidation breakout. If you see the 15-minute time frame, again you will see here, you will see a kind of a not a textbook type, but a kind of a inverted head and shoulder type pattern. And this was the area that I was entering with you guys on the 5-minute time frame. I right here, right at this candle, I informed everyone that my eyes are on this stock, and it gave a 1.5%, 1.5 percent momentum right away, just like Mindtree. Moving ahead with Coforge, same goes with Coforge. There was a huge gap down. Sorry, a very small gap down and a huge sell off after that. After that, the stock keeps on making. This was the mother bar, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mother bars, and then there is a breakout. Next candle sustains above the mother bar. Third candle sustains above the mother candle. The IT sector is telling you to take the stocks. Okay, now if the see, of course we have to set a stop loss because market can do anything anytime. Okay, so we have to be aware of that, but this could be a potential upside momentum in Coforge also. So I'm seeing good potential in the in which IT sector stocks: TCS, Mindtree, Infosys, LTI, Coforge, all the big players out there. I am bullish on all these players. Okay, so you make your setup, follow me on Telegram right now, and we will discuss how you can manage all these trades. Now right here I got this particular trade as well. It's a very superb trade. Why? Because this consolidation, see, and then there is this impulse move. Then there is this consolidation again, and then this impulse move. Then again a consolidation. What we are looking for? A impulse move. Okay, so we are looking for a impulse correction type momentum in QSCOP. Going to the monthly time frame, you will see the stock has already cleared a lot of hurdles. Here is my tool. This is the hurdle that I was talking about. It is a kind of a inverted head and shoulder pattern, kind of a inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and a double bottom as well. See, a double bottom. Okay, this is the double bottom, or you can say the double bottom neckline when it is coming to. See what happens whenever it breaks the double bottom, a stock breaks the double bottom, you should buy at these areas to anticipate a double bottom. Then when it is coming to this area, you should add more to this area, and then it will move up. So so that it is a impulse correction, impulse move. Okay, that's a higher low, higher high strategy as well. Okay, so it's a complete strategy, different type of thing. Right here what we are seeing that a correction been done and an impulsive move is in roll. Okay, so right here what we are going to see that the stock was in consolidation for a long time. A long time the stock was in consolidation, and today it opens gap up above this level. It opens gap up above this level, comes back down. The price action is telling that the price comes to the bottom level and tries to test the lower price action again. Okay, it gets some volatility right at this area, but breaks today's opening area, and after getting down it breaks the opening area. That means there is very good momentum in the stock, and there closes above our area of trend line. Okay, so it's a trend line area right there. Even if you make a trend line from this particular area also, right there, okay, you will see that it has closed above it. Now going to the 5-minute time frame, you will see there is a very beautiful consolidation. That means every 5-minute candle that you will see, okay, whenever the people are booking their profit, okay, the stock is again coming back to the area. Okay, so it's a consolidation in this zone, in this box zone. But what I was thinking, I took position in this consolidation and I thought it might go like UPL, some movement like that, or Gufic Bio or something like that, but it didn't give me such types of thing. But still it made a bearish candle, a lower wick rejection, a bullish candle, and it is still in that range. That means there is a very good consolidation on the RSI. Now we are seeing that the RSI is falling. okay, and the price is consolidating. That means there is a good space for RSI also in the 5 minute time frame, that RSI might go from 56 till 80 levels, and thus the price might break this area. So we have a good anticipation there. So you get it. If you do not get it, follow me on the Telegram. Even if you get it, follow me on Telegram. Thank you so much. Moving ahead, Shrey Industries, right there is our next talk. Shriyanas basically. Okay, so this is my trend line zones. Trend line zone. This is my trend line zone. Again, resistance, support, resistance, support. Okay, this is a very good area. The mean area. The mean area is a good area. Okay, why? Because gets resistance, comes down, breaks it again. Whenever it is coming down, it is getting resistance from this area. See, again, it is getting resistance from this area, but it breaks it up. See, this candle breaks it up, breaks this hidden area right here. Okay, hidden area right here, from where this M pattern was being made, triple M pattern actually, or you can say this triple top pattern was being made here. And then when it is coming down, it is not getting rejection, rather this is the rejection, then it is breaking it up, and then there is consolidation above this area, and it is breaking that also. So it's a good trade for tomorrow. Okay, you can anticipate, you can go with like 4% dynamic and 6% static stop loss, and you can aim for 10% or even higher move, a mover candle you need. Okay, a mover candle, like if your 20% circuit has been hit in the stock, so 10%, 9%, yeah, 10%, 10%, 20% candle if you see in the stock, exit it right away. Good pattern. Now Everest Canto already given a breakout, created a mother candle. Yeah, I want to tell one more thing. Mother candle, two insider bars, and a breakout right here also. Okay, so that's why I made these two lines. Okay, moving ahead. Wait a minute. Yeah, right there. EKC. So Everest Canto is our stock. Again, mother candle above this breakout point. Okay, there is a breakaway gap, and after that breakaway gap, there is mother candle, and then there is this insider bar, and after that you will see the stock consolidated for quite a lot. Okay, I was not able to make my position. Why? Because of the upper circuit. The stock hit upper circuit. Okay, this was the time I got to know about the stock, and then when it is coming down, I was waiting that whenever it is giving a small closing even above this particular box, I'm going to go long on this particular stock. Okay, and we'll wait. If it hits UC, it will definitely open good tomorrow. But things happens, I was not able to enter this stock. But yeah, let's see if it opens a little bit here. Okay, little bit, like do not take the rate right away. Okay, analyze yourself. Okay, and make your position sizing. If it opens somewhere right here and then comes to this area for even once, that's a very good opportunity to go long on this stock. Now analyze yourself, make position sizing. If you have any doubts, follow me on the Telegram right now. The link is in the description. Now right here you will see that there is a good consolidation here, takes the support back and moves up. Okay, already in my portfolio from this level. Why? Because I told you guys that on the 15-minute time frame, what I saw right here, you will see right on the 15-minute time frame, I gave you this breakout right here and told you to keep a stop loss below this area. Okay, below this area. Now this was a beautiful turnout for me. Why? Because the stock came to this area, was giving me 1% loss also. At this area I knew that it will get resistance, come back. Whenever it is coming back, buy, go long, make your setups. Okay, if you do not know how to make setups, I am there to help you guys out. Okay, but how? Through TradingView? No, that is like near impossible. Why? Because we do not have that much time on TradingView. Follow me on Telegram right now so that I can help you guys out there. 5%. How I got this 5%? Just by doing simplest analysis out there. Moving ahead with Hindalco. Why this stock? You will see whenever the stock comes to this particular area, it gets support, support, support. Again, it is getting a very good support at this area. But let me make a better trend line from this particular tool. So I'm going to use it like that. Okay, I'm going to use it like that, and then I'm going to make the trend line like that. So it's not see, it's inside that trend line zone. So let the stock give a impulse move, make a higher low like that. Okay, if it is breaking this type of area, that's our long position in Hindalco. Get it? Thank you so much for moving ahead. So we have Titan. Why Titan? See, this is a very good zone right here. Good consolidation. After that, it gives a breakout also. But now the stock is can be taken. Why? Last time I didn't give you this stock. Why? Because the stop loss seems typical, because this was a consolidation only. Now this is a breakout been done. Okay, it consolidated already for 2 days, 3 days actually, and created a mother bar. So these lines right here is the mother bar lines, and these are three insider bars. So whenever it is crossing it, you can keep a stop loss below this area, and you can aim for this area or even higher, a higher high formation in Titan. Titan seems good stock. Vedel. Vedel If you make a trend line like that, okay, let me remove everything, let's make a trend line from this bottom, although we have to make from this, but let's make from this area so that we get the closing basis, like somewhat like that. Yeah, it's a beautiful area. Okay, let's increase this area till that. Yeah, it's a perfect area. You will see how the stock comes to this area, even comes inside this area, but consolidates, and whenever there is a breakout, it moves up like anything. So it's a good area to look upon. And right here the price action is telling me that, wait a minute, this area right here gave a gap down also. It's a top and then it fell like anything. Okay, after that it gave a breakaway gap, this or that, everything. Then it comes to this area and takes support also for 2 days and then breaks down, okay, with a breakdown, with a gap. So this area is some special area in Weddell. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to make the mother candle also. In this also I'm seeing a mother candle. So right there, right there. So whenever it is moving up, you know what to do. You can ask me on the Telegram as well what we can do better, how we can trade this better. Anything, I'm up. Okay, I'm up to help you guys. Okay, the link is in the description. If you do not follow up with the links and everything, the link is in the description of this trading view video only. Okay, make sure to like the video also if you loved the way I analyze things. Okay, so mother candle, three insider bars, beautiful candlestick pattern. We have multiple confluences and there's more to it. We'll discuss it on Telegram. Moving ahead, why this particular trade? Okay, this is not a very high probability trade, just a trade. Okay, so right here you will see that big movement. Okay, we needed a consolidation and after that a big movement, but will it be like that? Will it be like textbooks? No, it will not be like textbook. It might fall again, create a double pattern and break forever, but no, let's be positive, let's be on the right page. So make a Fibonacci from this bottom till this top. This trade idea was given to me by one of my members. So okay, thank you so much for giving the idea. It's a good idea. Yeah, so we can plan it somewhat like this is a resistance area, consolidates in this zone, gives a breakout. First time it is coming to this area, let the stock breathe, and this is, see, we are already getting wicks at this area. What is this area? This is a 0.3 retracement. Also, if you see weekly trend line, so you will see even if the stock comes to this area, this is a very good buy area for Reliance. 0.5 Fibonacci from the low till the high, and the resistance converted into support zone. So we have two areas for Reliance. Even if it is coming to this area, it might give a movement from this area. Or if you are seeing a higher low in this area, that's a time you have to spot this higher low. You have to spot a higher low, or you have to spot a breakout of this area when it is coming down. But if it is giving a vertical movement, then it is difficult to chase the stock. Yeah. So that's it for this particular video. The link of the Telegram is in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, and we'll meet you right on the Telegram. Any doubts, I will take it. Thank you so much.